You probably know me as the millionaire currency trader. The simple fact is this: I've trained over 200,000 people now around the world how to become trader millionaires. And they haven't done it by sitting at home watching TV. They've done it by copying the exact same trading strategies I and my team use every day. You're probably going to be a little bit shocked when you realize how straightforward it is to do this, and possibly a little bit annoyed that it's taken you so long to discover it. The best way to make money trading currencies today is just to copy what the most successful traders in the world are doing and then implement and automate as quickly as possible. We've become the world leader in trader education because we don't just show you what to do and when to do it, but we put you on trading floors with some of the most professional traders in the industry, hold you by the hand step by step and show you exactly what to do so you know you can do it too. If this is something you want to do, I highly encourage you to get started as quickly as possible. I've been doing this nearly now for 20 years of my life, and I can certainly tell you it's allowed me to have quite an opulent, quite an incredible, and certainly a lifestyle that's allowed me to meet the most incredible people and have the most amazing experiences. The currency market's over $5 trillion in US dollar volume a day. It's extremely liquid, it's very exciting. It's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And if you're somebody who's looking for a way to either pay off your bills or produce a decent second or primary income, I really encourage you to get started.